Hi everyone, it's Miss Amber and welcome to our Grundy Library Code Club. Today for Code Club, we're doing an exercise called Code It, Images and Animations. This is perfect for grades 2nd and above, and we're learning to program our own amazing images and animations. So you can click on the link and hit start. So the first couple of chapters start with a really informative video which will walk you through the first steps. So I recommend watching those videos. I'm going to get right started into our walkthrough today. And the video will tell you a little bit more about the setup, but basically the instructions are over here on the left side of the page. This is our workspace, and then what we create will appear over here on the right-hand side. So our first task is to create a canvas. So to do that, we're going to use these two blocks here, and we need to fill the canvas with a color. And it's telling us in the instructions that we need to be careful of the order of the blocks, and that's true for the exercises all throughout this whole challenge. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to use my Create Canvas block, make sure it snaps in, and then I'm going to use my Fill Canvas block and select a different color. And then I'm going to hit Start to check it. Great, it's telling me that it was correct and I can see it over here as well. If you get something wrong or if you need some additional help, hints will appear in this upper area. You can also reset your workspace over here. So I'm going to click continue and move on to the second exercise. There'll be another video which I would recommend watching, but again, I'm going to jump right into my walkthrough. And for this part, we're creating our first image. So we're going to be drawing a circle in the middle of the canvas using the circle block. Then give the circle a color. Use the Set Fill Color block. So I'm going to be dragging this circle block over here, snapping it in, and then a Set Fill block, and I'm going to put it up here. And I'm going to pick the color that I want my circle to be, and then also pick the color of the background. When I'm ready and I want to check my code, I can go over here and hit the Start button. Now, as you can see, I didn't get it completely correct because the circle appeared, but it's not in the center of my canvas. And when you watch the video, it'll explain a little bit more about using the X and Y values to make your circle appear directly in the middle. So I'm going to go over here and change these settings so that my circle is going to appear in the center. Okay, and as you can see, it's correct and the circle is now in the center. So I'm going to continue on to the third exercise. For this exercise, I'm going to be drawing two circles. And to do that, we have to give both circles different center points. So that's going to be really important so they don't appear right on top of each other. And we're also being told that we need to set the fill color for each circle. And again, we need to be careful of the order of our blocks. It's warning us to set the fill colors first and then draw the circles. So to do that, I'm going to add a fill color block, a circle block underneath that, another fill color block for my second circle, and then another circle block. And I'm going to pick different colors for the center of my circles. And again, I'm going to pick a different background color. Okay, and then I'm going to give them different center points. So I'm going to leave this one at 100, and I'm going to change this one to 150, and that should put the second circle in the middle of the canvas. All right, I think I like the way my code looks. I'm going to hit start and check it. Okay, there we go, and you can see our canvas over here is looking pretty good. So now I'm going to hit continue to move on to the next part of the exercise. So for this part, you're going to do nested circles. And after this, it's going to continue on getting a little more complicated each time. But this exercise is really fun and it's great because there are a lot of tutorial videos throughout it. And it also gives you a lot of hints. So I hope you guys continue coding, have fun, and I'll see you at our next Grundy Library Code Club. Bye!